Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just showing you what I made. The first thing I made was a beanie. I was gonna turn it into a ruffle hat, but I'm like, no. Let me just do a beanie. I did an extra increased roll so it could just fit on my head nice and loose. And I did I don't even know how many rows I did, but I was able to fold it up if I wanted to, fold it down if I want. It was bright pink. Then the next thing I made, because I had a little bit of yarn left over, I made this granny square beret hat, and then I ran out of pink, so I had to add the gray, but it came out so cute. It's nice and loose. If you want it more slouchy, you can add more rows when you get to like row 11, 12, 13, I guess. But thank you for watching.